Bitrue NFT platform app. The pros, the cons. The Bitrue NFT platform app is bringing NFTs to a platform originally known for crypto trading. Most people get this wrong by assuming Bitrue is just for spot and margin trading, but the surprising truth is that it now supports NFT browsing, buying, and storing directly in the app. On the pros side, Bitrue offers strong security with two-factor authentication and encrypted wallets, making it safe for NFT collectors. Users can fund fee purchases directly from their crypto holdings, track their collections, and participate in select drops. The interface is simple and user-friendly, allowing beginners to navigate the NFT world without feeling overwhelmed. On the con side, Bitrue's NFT marketplace is smaller than leading platforms like OpenSea or Rarible, which means fewer collections and limited variety. Advanced features like analytics, auctions, and cross-chain support are also limited. Transaction fees can become high during peak periods, which might discourage casual collectors. In conclusion, the Bitrue NFT platform app is ideal for crypto users who want a secure and integrated environment to manage NFTs. While it doesn't offer the variety or advanced trading tools of larger marketplaces, its simplicity, security, and account integration make it a solid choice for beginners and intermediate collectors.